Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So we will take a look at EURJPY for this week. To those that are yet to subscribe, you have not subscribed, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. I really need you to subscribe. You can also make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. So we will see this EURJPY. If you take a look at it, especially on the weekly time frame, the full trend, you can clearly see that this is clearly an uptrend move. In the long run, we are having an higher highs and an higher low. So we will continue to expect such movements on EURJPY. So we will continue to have that movement probably in 6 or 7 months' time. We should be able to take out these highs on EURJPY. But we would want to know where this market will be moving for this week. We would have to roll down to the daily time frame. We can see that there's once kind of like this level was once the support level, right? Where price will what sorry, this was once this resistance level, whereby price will come to hit this resistance level, it will find a rejection, come to this resistance level, we had a rejection there, again to this resistance level, we had a rejection, and guess what? Price broke above it, and when price broke above it, what happened next? Price came to test that level. We all know that support and resistance level, whereby if price is kind of ranging and price breaks out of the resistance level or it breaks out to the support level, price must give us a pullback to test that level. So it is exactly what has happened here. Euro USD price has given us a correction to test it. So the next movement I am watching out for this week is a level of 145. Currently, we are trading at 143. So I'm expecting an impulse move, kind of like a bullish move on Euro JPY to a level of, let's see it, to a level of 145. So let's see if you can hit this level of 145. And this is the level here. If I'm not wrong, you can see it, a level of 145. Maybe then kind of like a good amount of drop or a good amount of a correction or pullback, as you may call it, will definitely play out. So this week I am expecting an impulse move. So let's watch out for it. At the same time, this is not an high probability trade. It is kind of like a 50-50 chance, because price can eventually drop. So it is about 50-50% chance. But once we were watching, technically we had to go up. We just need to take a look at that BOG report that will be released. Since it is it that will define, because this news itself can actually change the direction of this our technical prediction. That is why I'm saying that if in case it drops, then no problem. That is why I said it is 50-50% chance. But anyway, that is why I've actually created a Patreon channel whereby I tend to put high probability trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. So far, this was the trade we actually took last week. We can see Nasdaq 100 for the 24th. I'm going to pin the video. Once you open check the channel, you are going to see the video up that I'll pin. This is the video. You can watch it to confirm. We actually took a trade on JPY New Zealand dollar. We actually got to the level. We also took a trade on gold. We actually grabbed about 300 plus 300 pips from gold. On this JPY New Zealand dollar, we actually grabbed 170 pips. When you take a look at this Nasdaq 100 for that day, we actually grabbed about more than 200 pips. When you take a look at almost all our trade that we took, right, I'm going to put a link there. You'll see it in the comment section, link to for the trade we took, which is February 20 to 24. So you can actually watch them. We actually took 9 trades, and seven of it actually got to our targets, which was a very big win. So we actually had about 85 to 90% of our trade was actually a win. So if in case you're actually interested, we're giving you an update. So this is the trade we will be looking at for tomorrow. One of these trades we'll be looking at for tomorrow, which is for the 27th. You can see it, Carl Swiss franc. We'll be looking at it for 27th. I've also given out trade for the week, which is going to have a very good impact. So once you check it, surely you are going to win. With just 20 USD, you'll be able to get access to this trade, and you trade with us. Like I said, I can assure you it is a winning trade. If after a month we don't get the value we promise you, or your account has not been increased, or you don't get good value, you can go ahead and cancel your subscription, right? You are free to cancel your subscription. If at the end of the month you don't get your value, right, cancel your subscription. So I'll be watching out for that.